Hey guys, having trouble getting your mower to start? Here's a few basic checks to do. 1. Is the operator sitting in the seat? Are the drive arms in neutral? Is your parking brake completely engaged? Is the PTO on? If so, make sure it's off. It has to be off in order to start. Let's check the battery. Make sure you've got proper voltage. Check the connections. Near the battery is usually the main fuse, but you've also got a lot of other fuses on the machine. Refer to your service manuals to check all those locations and whether or not they're good. Check all your connections throughout the harness. Give them a tug, make sure they're okay. Also, don't forget, pull your spark plug. Make sure you're getting spark. If none of those work, please contact your local bad boy dealer.